Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss a basic example on mono. Here I am having the class so-called demo class. I am writing the main method. In the main method, I am just saying mono dot just, okay, that is taking the hello world, which is a string. Okay, and I am just doing the Control Alt V. This will assign statement to a new local variable. This will assign statement to a new local variable. After this, let me just go inside the mono. Here, mono is the abstract class which implements a core publisher, that is a interface. Okay. This core publisher extends the publisher. Inside the publisher, we are having the subscribe method that takes the subscriber as an argument. Okay. Just let me get back again. Okay. So if I do here SOUT and if I add the reference variable and if I try to run this corresponding class, see here it is not printing the hello world. So what we need to do in order to print the hello world, remove this SOUT and here by using the reference variable dot subscribe, we need to subscribe and we need to print the data, emitted data by the publisher. Here, see here, I am just simply doing system dot out method reference println. Okay, Control Alt L. So what we are doing here is mono is just a publisher. So publisher is providing or it is giving the or it is emitting the data. So in order to get the data, what we need to do here is we need to subscribe for the publisher. If we subscribe for the publisher, then only we can get the corresponding emitted data from the publisher. So in the line number 8, I am doing mono dot subscribe and I am printing the emitted data. If I run it again, see here hello world has been printed. Here when you subscribe to this mono, because mono is a publisher, it triggers the emission of hello world, which system.out method reference println, that means system.out.println will print it. Okay. Here if we have to discuss about just, this just method is a convenient way to start a reactive pipeline with a specific values or set of values, enabling the data to flow through a non-blocking asynchronous pipeline. The key points here to discuss about this just method is it starts the reactive stream and also it has the non-blocking creation as well as the asynchronous processing. This is the basic example that we have discussed about the mono by printing a string.